Many airports have started using full-body scanners that can see through the clothes of passengers. The controversial security devices use X-rays or millimeter wave technology to reveal what a passenger may be hiding underneath clothes. According to the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, the full-body scanners can detect both metallic and non-metallic items that may pose a threat to aviation security. The pictures are usually black and white or appear to look like a film negative. The TSA website says 385 so-called advanced imaging technology machines are currently in use at nearly 70 airports nationwide. Reports say there are plans to add an additional 1,000 such machines by the end of next year. Controversy surrounding such full-body scanner images is on the rise, with a growing number of passengers and, according to CNN, pilots revolting. CNN reports some grassroots groups are urging travelers to either not fly or to protest by opting out of the full-body scanners. Any passenger that opts out of the full-body scan will undergo enhanced pat-downs instead. In October of 2010, a pilot, Michael Roberts, refused to submit to a full-body scan and an enhanced pat-down. According to CNN, Roberts is considering a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of such procedures. Other legal briefs are challenging the full-body scanner program, claiming it's a violation of the Privacy Act and the Fourth Amendment. On November 24, 2010, one group is calling for a national opt-out day, asking Americans who are traveling that day to opt out of the full-body scanning. November 24th is the day before Thanksgiving, traditionally one of the busiest travel days of the year in the U.S. For more information on this topic, visit the links below.